Haven't seen you for a while, my filament winding baby. So, my name is Stas, if you haven't seen me before. On this channel you can see different videos about luxury yachts, sailing fun, I would say. And also I'll show you what I'm doing in my everyday life. So I'm working as an engineer, and one of my favorite things in regards of engineering is working with the composite materials, and mostly I'm super keen in regards of filament winding. That's why I have this self-made with my friend filament winding machine. I was out of this project for nearly 1 year, and today I'll make refresh of this branch of my engineering hobbies. So I'll show you how it's working, how I'm planning to improve it. So please keep watching, please press like and subscribe, and very soon I'll show you more about composite materials in general, and especially about filament winding technology. I'll show you how to make carbon fiber tubes.